everyone, I'm going to show you how, if you've got the smallest of ponytails, even if it's only that big, you can have a messy bun. And all you need to do is go and find online on eBay a real hairpiece ponytail. And I've named this one Inga because it's Russian hair. No offense, Russians. I was going to call her Ivanka, but I thought if I've had a couple of wines it may not sound too good, so we've named her Inga. Now it's took 3 boxes of hair dye to get this my colour. Believe it or not, this is not natural. So 3 boxes later I got it the right shade that I wanted to blend in with my hair. So you can buy them in blondes, blacks, brunettes, anything you can get. And this is only 30 quid. It's 18 inches. It may be just a little bit long for me to put in as a ponytail because I would rather maybe just have it about that length. So I'm going to get myself another one just to wear as a ponytail. I absolutely love this. It's so clever. I'm obsessed with it. So I am going to show you how to do it. So my hair's got a bit fluffy. So let me show you what you do. So you just need to put, obviously, a bobble. Do a ponytail. It doesn't have to be, you can have it wherever you want to put it. There's no right or wrong way how to put a messy bun in. That's it, just smooth it in. And then, so it's nice and tight. Go. So I've got where I want to put my bun. Grab your hairpiece. And you get some little clips on it, and these and try, you can get these with Velcro or with just ribbons. I like this one with the Velcro, so just try and keep that to one side. Then put those little clips under your bobble, push it in, then tighten the Velcro up to make that ponytail. Grab the tail. So you can have, this is all hidden when you wrap the hair around it. It's absolutely amazing. I don't know why it's took me forever to get one of these. I absolutely love it. Then you can put your bows in and all sorts of bandanas and scarves and stuff like that. So you just clip the tail under the bobble. And then that's it. So you could have a big long ponytail. You could, you know, wrap a bit of bandana around it, or as I say, whatever. So I just try and smooth it out a little bit because it is real hair. Make sure you get real hair, not synthetic, because the real hair looks a lot realer, obviously. Right, so then I just grab it, give it a little twist, and I just keep twisting it around so I can make there, and then just clip it all in. Dogs are on cue again. You can tell I always do these videos when I'm on my own. And you can get some bigger clips and just push it all in. So that's it. That is how you can make a ponytail look absolutely amazing as a messy bun from a fake hair piece. Now what else you can do is grab a bandana, and I've got a ton of these, and then just put it around so you can mix and match your outfits, and instead of just having a plain hair day, you can jazz it up. So there you go. Get yourselves on eBay, get yourself a fake ponytail and go make buns. Bye.